For us, the full moon and the stars shine their light so beautifully. As I count back our happy days and joyful times, I find myself missing you even more. My queen, you deserve to be adorned with the beauty of a rainbow. My queen, you deserve to be adorned with the beauty of a rainbow. In this story of my life, you are my queen, the one who completes me. Rule over this kingdom of my heart. You are my queen for me. My queen, you deserve to be adorned with the beauty of a rainbow. My queen, you deserve to be adorned with the beauty of a rainbow. In the story we create, the story of ours, may you and I be the ones to close its ending. Your king, and you, my queen. You deserve to be adorned with the beauty of a rainbow. My